How to add contact in Zangi. Alright, let's figure out how to add someone new to your contacts in Zangi. It's really quite easy. First thing, open the Zangi app on your phone. You can see my Zangi right over here. Tap on it. Once you're inside the app, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the pencil icon, which is right over here. Tap on it. That will provide you a few options. From the options, simply tap on add contact. Okay, now you will see the fields in their information. The most important one is their phone number. You can just type the phone number right over here. Let me enter my friend's phone number right over here. Then write their name right over here. And after you are done, simply tap on the tick mark right over here. You can say in top right corner, tap on it. And that's it. This would now appear in your Zangi account's contact list ready to you to chat or call them. Simple, right? You can see the contact information right over here on my screen too. Let's go here and let's go to contact, which is symbolized by the two people right over here, two people icon. Tap on it. And you can see the contact that I have just added right over here. And that's all for today's video. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.